Welcome to Final BDS Made Easy. Importance of post-endodontic restorations is one of the 5-marker questions from the subject of endodontics. Post-endodontic restoration is crucial for the long-term success of RC-treated tooth. This process ensures the restored tooth maintains its function, aesthetics, and structural integrity. The primary objective is to prevent reinfection and provide adequate support to the weakened tooth structure. First point is preservation of tooth structure. After endodontic treatment, the tooth often becomes brittle and prone to fracture. A well-designed post-endo restoration reinforces the remaining tooth structure, reducing the risk of fractures. It helps in retaining the remaining natural tooth structure, avoiding the need for extraction and further complex prosthetic treatments. Sealing. Proper restoration ensures a hermetic seal of the root canal system, preventing microleakage and subsequent bacterial contamination. It also acts as a barrier to protect the root canal filling material from oral fluids and bacteria, thus maintaining the aseptic environment achieved during endodontic treatment. Next is functional and aesthetic restoration. Restored teeth can adequately withstand masticatory forces, ensuring normal function in terms of biting and chewing. Aesthetically pleasing restorations improve the appearance of treated teeth, especially for anterior teeth, enhancing patient satisfaction and confidence. Longevity and durability. Post-endodontic restoration such as crowns or onlays provide long-term durability, extending the lifespan of the treated tooth. Crowns or other full coverage restorations protect the tooth from mechanical forces and wear, reducing the likelihood of failure or need for retreatment. Next is ferrule effect. A ferrule is a metal band or ring used to encompass the remaining tooth structure to improve its resistance to fracture. Incorporating a ferrule effect into the design of the restoration significantly enhances the fracture resistance of endodontically treated teeth. It provides additional support and stability, especially in teeth with substantial structural loss. A minimum of 1.5 to 2 millimeters of vertical tooth structure above the gingival margin is recommended for an effective ferrule. This can be achieved by crown lengthening if necessary. Sixth is soffit. A soffit in dental terms refers to a slight depression or groove on the internal surface of a restoration that enhances its fit and retention. The incorporation of a soffit in post-endodontic restorations, particularly in crowns, aids in better seating of the restoration and reduces the risk of microleakage. It enhances the overall fit and longevity of the restoration by providing a more secure and stable interface between the tooth and the restorative material. Next are the factors influencing the choice of restoration. The extent of tooth structure loss dictates the type of restoration required, with more extensive damage necessitating more substantial restorations like crowns or posts. Anterior and posterior teeth have different functional and aesthetic demands, influencing the choice of restorative materials and techniques. Patients' occlusion, parafunctional habits such as bruxism, and aesthetic expectations play a significant role in determining the appropriate restoration. Materials used in post-endo restorations, composite resins. They are often used for direct restorations, providing good aesthetics and sufficient strength for small to moderate defects. Amalgam, though less commonly used due to aesthetic concerns, amalgam can be employed in posterior teeth for its durability and ease of use. Ceramics and porcelains. They are preferred for their superior aesthetics, especially in anterior teeth. Ceramics offer excellent color matching and translucency. Metal alloys. They are used in combination with porcelain for their strength, especially in high stress areas or for patients with heavy occlusal loads. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you appreciate this video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more such videos.